Well, Mother Nature is a funny thing. You see that we've had two hurricanes, one a major hurricane, Laura. That was just 6 weeks ago on August 27th. It was a Category 4 with winds of 150 miles per hour and made landfall near Cameron, Louisiana. That was in Cameron Parish. Today, well, as you see, just 13 miles down the road to the east, a Category 2 storm, and that was Delta. Again, obviously today, and that happened at 6 o'clock this evening with winds at about 100 miles per hour. But as you see here, that was around Creole, Louisiana, but both in Cameron Parish. And then they started to take a little bit of a split. Right now, we've got a little bit of shear out there and some steering winds kind of driving this system towards the northeast. You can see that the majority of the thunderstorm activity right now, the heaviest rainfall sitting around central Louisiana. We do have some outer bands kind of moving across Sabine Pass and a lot of areas into eastern Texas. However, for us, we're still kind of keeping an eye on a couple bands out there. Luckily for us, again, they're not the most intense rain showers at this point. A lot of that's starting to finally lift out of the area, at least on the bottom end. We're not seeing much in the way of development. We're not starting to see it build. And again, that's kind of the key here. Do those showers really start to build and form and eventually train, moving over the same spot? Luckily, that seems to be a no. That's a big no to that answer, and that means things are going to finally start to get a little bit better. Our conditions will slowly start to improve overnight. Now, it's going to continue to stay rather breezy, at least for the next few hours, at least until probably 10, 11 tonight, the possibility of some tropical storm force winds, and then after that, still very windy out there. So there still is that potential that we have the chance for some power outages across the area. Obviously, it's happening all over the capital and around our viewing area. So just be well aware of that. You could wake up in the morning without power. Now, here's the story. Cat 1, but it is expected to get to tropical storm strength around central Louisiana and then quickly race off towards the northeast and out of here as we head into your day tomorrow. So here you go. Looking at a little bit of a closer look, you see we've got a couple showers now kind of hugging I-55. We got a couple more showers developing around New Orleans, kind of in that light to moderate category with most of the heavy intense rainfall. We're talking rainfall rates at 1 inch to 2 inches per hour. That's all kind of hovering around Ville Platte. Now north of Acadiana, and we're talking north of even Opelousas at this point. Still some of those outer bands wrapping back into the Lake Charles area, which, again, they obviously don't need more rain. They've had quite a few inches of rain. It looks like most estimates are now sitting at about 6 to 8 inches of rain around the area. So they're finally starting to dry out, at least a little bit further south where it was landfall. Obviously, there was some pretty intense rainfall out there. We did get some reports, and it looks like storm surge verified in that 8 to about 10-foot category for most areas. Again, so we'll have more, obviously, information as the sun rises tomorrow, but here's the deal. For us, locally, we need to focus on our rivers, and right now, because, again, the rain is starting to let up a little bit. That's a good thing for us. That's what we want, but there still is a lot of water out there, ponding water. Your backyard, it all has to drain, goes into our sewer system. A lot of that goes and filters into our local rivers and streams. We still got water in parking lots. We still got water, you name it, in some streets. That all has to filter into our bayous, and that moves into the bigger arteries, the Co-Meet and the A-Meet. And as you see here, again, they may adjust the forecast a little bit, but right now expected to crest at 26. And you see we already sit just shy of that at 25.7. 27.31 right now at near flood stage, but expected to get to minor flooding at 31. That could also get adjusted depending on all that rainfall from southern Mississippi and all of our Florida parishes kind of filtering down. Watch all that water go downstream, and as you see here, that crest expected to be about 10 feet down near Bayou Manchac, which is, again, south of I-12 between there and I-10. So here is the big picture. Right now, the gusts out there still 85 miles per hour in the Lake Charles area. Jennings 55, 66 in Lafayette, 81 in New Iberia, 57 in New Roads, 47 here. So again, we're talking tropical storm force winds out there. We're talking 49 in Gonzales, 40 for a lot of areas, and that's really going to continue. And as you see here, that potential for tropical storm force winds, well, that will continue for at least the next couple hours. We're talking at least till about midnight, possibly dropping off around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. And then after that, we get those winds back into the more breezy category out there, 10 to 15 up to 20, until the system really kind of lifts itself out of here. We're really not going to watch those winds die down. Now, again, dry air and wind shear really have been the big culprit for making this system weaken so quickly. It just really destroyed this system as it made its way in. You can see even here on the backside, all this dry air. And luckily for us, long-term forecast, We get back to some sunshine on Sunday and Monday, and things are looking much nicer as a cold front moves in heading into next week. So here is the big picture out there. You see that again, winds anything over 39. Those are tropical storm force winds, and we've had trees down, we've had limbs down, we've had even what do you want to call them? Drawing a blank right now, but you're talking street lights. Yeah, street lights have been down because of these stronger winds in many areas, so drive with caution if you're on the roadways. Now again, you see some areas hurricane force winds still out there, and that is obviously a concern. You can see from our camera it's still continuing to bobble around because right now again we're seeing winds anywhere from 30 to 40 to even 50 miles per hour, kind of in that range with a current temperature of 78.